One of the challenges for teachers using Google Docs, slides, and sheets in SAFARI Montage for student assignments in Google Classroom is the need to provide individual copies to each student from a single Google web link. This is solved using the Assign with Copies Google integration in the SAFARI Montage lure, which allows a teacher to assign a Google Doc or a playlist containing a Google Doc to students so they each get their own individual copy to work on and submit in Classroom. To use the feature, the original Google Doc, slide, or sheet must be saved and shared as a web link in the lure. On the object's title page in the lure, in addition to the standard Share to Classroom button, you'll now see the option to Assign with Copies. Clicking this button will allow you to choose your class in Google Classroom and then fill in the details of your assignment. Be sure to choose Make a Copy for each student in the drop-down. Then click Assign, and your assignment is sent to your students in Google Classroom with individual copies of your original Google Doc. It works similarly for a playlist. As long as the playlist contains at least one Google Doc, slide, or sheet to use in the assignment, you will have the opportunity to click Assign with Copies on your playlist title page. In the pop-up, you'll select your class and be able to select which of the Google items should be sent, so each student receives their own copy in the assignment. Be sure to deselect any learning object that does not need to have copies. When you finish filling out the form, click Create Assignment with Copies for Students. This creates a draft you'll need to finalize in Google Classroom. Click the button to open the classwork page of Google Classroom and locate your draft. Edit. Review the assignment, making sure to select which items should make a copy for students, and assign when ready.